Trash! Dog, release! Put your hands down!
I can't!
Get the over!
He's biting me!
Good job, buddy, good bond! Hold this arm.
On December 29, 2025, deputies in Cleveland, Ohio responded to a report of a vehicle connected to a postal robbery.
I'm a postal carrier and I just got robbed at gunpoint. They took my mail bag and all the mail I had in my hand. They pulled up in a car, so I was up a driveway with my back turned, and all of a sudden they were all behind me.
Shortly after, officers located the suspect vehicle and attempted to initiate a stop. Instead of pulling over, the driver refused and continued eastbound as units coordinated over the radio.
County's behind it with the grappler. Send units, I'm going eastbound.
I'm on.
Eastbound, passing 97th to Dickens, speed 61. Eastbound, 94 Dickens, eastbound.
Yeah, keep checking on that. What target approved to proceed?
Footbill!
To safely stop the vehicle, a grappler unit was deployed. As soon as it made contact, the situation escalated. The suspect, 19-year-old Delshawn Derville Legg, suddenly jumped out of the moving car and ran, leaving the vehicle rolling behind him.
Trash!
Jimmy, where are you? Heard grapplers over the air, Sarge, so I'm pretty sure that's out of the back.
Dog, release! Dog caught him! Soka and 116. Put your hands down! Put your hands down! Lay on your belly! Get on your belly! Get on your belly!
It wasn't me!
Get on your belly!
He's biting me!
Get the over!
I
Get
can't!
the over!
He's biting me!
Roll over now!
He's biting me!
Roll over!
I can't!
Roll over now!
I'm
Good job, buddy. Good bond.
trying.
Hold this arm.
I can't turn over.
Ah! Let go of the dog! Let go of the dog! Take your hands off! Keep your hands off me.
Stop fighting.
Hey, somebody secure the vehicle. It's gonna be just near.
Yep, we're good.
I got the driver.
You got cuffs? Yeah, stand by. You got it? All right.
Within seconds, a K-9 unit was deployed. The dog quickly closed the distance as the suspect made a final attempt to escape by climbing onto a nearby vehicle. Before he could get away, the K-9 reached him and latched onto him, pulling him down to the ground. He was then taken into custody.
You're an idiot. You're a idiot. I'm glad you got a Robin mother.
Wait, no, I ain't robbed nobody.
Dog bite right here. The car's over here if you can secure it.
Jim, is there anybody else in that car? Or ran from that car? 8890, we're pulling up. 18, we're going to be with this male at the whole fire station here, 116.
Yeah, I'm good, Sarge. Holy. I'm not touching it.
Not as fast as I used to be. It hit the pole before I
I'm
could
still
get
on.
in. It hit the pole before I could get in. So
Oh, you right here?
yeah. I got all the mail right here. All the mail right there. Hard to get that
You got active mailbag in the back seat. Yes.
There you go. Dude, he had no idea.
You got
find
bit right here. Yeah, I had 2 radios.
We're worried about you.
Like,
I know you got under control, but
and then they're like,
So yeah,
there's 2 cars.
there was 2 cars with them. They see me pull out and they both dipped out. There was another SUV. About 6 houses this way. He ran parallel right in the middle of the street. But when he jumped out by these bushes. I paralleled him with my car to dog bite him, send him out the side door. He ran here, double backed, did a U-turn in on foot the firehouse, then ran this way. So I just checked those immediate bushes to the left of the firehouse. It was faster just jumping on your channel, guys. I appreciate he's coming out.
Yeah, sure. Dude, we finally got some excitement.
It's fucking cold. Yep, I see him radio. We had this suspect at the firehouse, so they just want to back up 100 feet and meet us at the firehouse. Good job, buddy. Good job. Did we make sure these bushes were checked? On this side, he got out holding his waistband right here.
Right up.
I tried grappling him right here, and the car, he was going this way. He got out by these bushes and was clutching.
This bush right here?
Yeah, and he ran this way. I paralleled him with the car. He came in here, did a U-turn, and then went this way, and that's when I bit him with the dog. But these are the only bushes.
So he was on foot though that whole time. That doing
yeah,
this now.
but I was watching him. Okay. The only time I didn't see him was.
What's over on it? You guys are taking it, right?
Yeah.
You can do is at least do background processing.
Yeah. So we have one of our guys down there sitting on it.
Okay.
I'm gonna get his information here.
Oh, you do want a bed? They said they're gonna cut them in the front.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Help you with a chair?
Yeah.
Now, let me patch you down real quick.
Take this coat off.
The D4 car handled him after I got the dog off. So if you guys are good to do a secondary sweep.
Yeah, we always do.
Yeah, hospital policy. We gotta do.
Yeah, all good. More than merrier. You're not gonna offend me. What's up, man?
Jacket off. We'll go through his jacket.
I don't know. We'll find out.
We're gonna take your coat off, sir, okay?
I'm gonna unhook these. You're gonna place your hands on here. Do not. Let me get them off first.
I don't know if I smell something wrong, but I'm definitely not.
No, nothing.
I got one. I'll be back.
Thank you, sir. Can you take your hands off?
When you get a chance, could you touch base with Cleveland D4? I got the cuffs off this gentleman. I just want to make sure I get them right back to the Cleveland officer who they belong to. No, if they just get a contact number, I'll run them to him as soon as I get caught up with my business here.
I'm gonna flip him back up.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get to the bag, guys.
What's your last name, boss? J-O-N-E-S?
He only bit you once?
Yeah.
Alright, here.
Where'd he get you at?
Right here.
Alright, I'm gonna pull these down just so we can take a look, okay?
Is it easier to stand up or no?
It might be easier.
Can
I assist you getting up?
Just because your pants are going to get torqued.
Right there. Okay. Just my touch here. Just checking this out, okay? Sorry, dear. Oh, sorry. Alright, I'm sorry, hon. All right.
All right, you able to slide these ones? We'll get them all the way.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Is there any turn a little? Well, let me get my.
This is the only place, honey. You don't have to pay anywhere else. All right. I'm gonna pull your bottoms back up. All right. I don't see anything deep like that we would need to be concerned about that with.
All right, brother. They read your Miranda warning. I'm going to just make this quick so we can get you a process to get you to jail. When you guys were at McDonald's, you see me pull in because you guys dipped out, right? Is that what happened? You see my marked sheriff cruiser? So you pulled out and went around the back of McDonald's. You saw my overhead lights, heard my overhead sirens? Yes? So, how come you didn't stop?
Childish.
Yeah. It's all right. I mean, we all make mistakes, man. I was a young kid at one time. It is what it is. So you saw the overhead lights, didn't stop. How come you didn't stop when you got out of the car, started running, you were clutching your waistband? Stuff like that's going to get you shot. And you don't have pants that are sagging. So my concern was, why were you, when you got out of the car, grabbing your waistband? And you looked at me when you did it.
I didn't even realize I was doing it. I apologize.
Yeah.
But it was on some, I don't know, I probably was thinking too fast. I had no gun or nothing, though.
Yeah, I mean, I look at it from my standpoint.
Yeah,
A call came down for a robbery of a postal man in that car, you know what I mean? So when you got out on foot and I followed you in the car, you did a button hook in the firehouse. You said multiple opportunities to say, you know what, I don't want to do this no more.
I wanted to.
So right now you're going to get booked. It's up in the air on how, but right now it's a federal hold on you at this time. So per what the gentleman's here that talked to you prior, before I came in and talked to you, they're going to be presenting this to AUSA, which is the federal district attorney. So you have state, which is me, just state charges, which is a pretty big deal. And then you have federal charges, which is like prison, like OG, triple OG prison time stuff. That's who they're with. So they're going to be booking you on a federal hold, reaching out to the district attorney's office, presenting the facts of the case, and then they're going to go forward with whether they're going to continue with some of the charges, all the charges, or if they're going to kick it back to the sheriff's deputies and go state charges. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. Your ass cheek will swell up and you'll be hating life. You won't be able to fall asleep because you'll be sleeping on your butt cheek. Just take your antibiotic.
Once we get in the car, we got a seatbelt. I'm going to bring it across.
Emergency medical services were called to check his injuries from the dog bite. The wounds appeared to be minor and not life-threatening, but he was still treated at the scene. During questioning, the suspect admitted that he saw the police and panicked, which is why he ran. Officers explained that his actions, especially running while holding his waistband, could have led to a much more serious outcome. What started as a robbery investigation quickly turned into a high-speed chase, a foot pursuit, and a K9 takedown, all within minutes. If you want to see more real and intense body cam footage like this, make sure to subscribe to Infrared Patrol and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads.